I don't know if I want to title this video 101 diagnosis or all that's wrong with me.
Some guys have all the luck. I was born with glass bones and paper skin. Every morning I break my legs, and every afternoon I break my arms. At night, I lie awake in agony until my heart attacks put me to sleep. Oh, no! No!
Okay, this video, I'm just gonna get straight to the point. I'm just gonna go through everything I've been diagnosed with, every thing I've diagnosed myself in the past 10 years of having lupus. What else? Every symptom, anything health related that I've been through. I'm just gonna go down the list. I was diagnosed at the age of 15. I am now 28 years old. And just to give you a quick overview of what lupus does, it is an autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks itself, and it affects the central nervous system, the circulatory system, digestive, excretory, muscular, immune system, reproductive system, the respiratory system, and the skeletal system. Pause and screenshot any words that you want to look up.
Yeah. I know some of these words.
Let's get started. Acne, acidosis, acid reflux, adrenal fatigue, allergies, alopecia, anemia, angioedema. Quick insert. When I first was diagnosed with lupus, one of my first symptoms was angioedema. That's the swelling of the eyelids, and it made it very difficult to see. Antiphospholipid syndrome, which is a clotting disorder. Anxiety, arthralgia, which is joint pain. Arthritis, which is joint swelling. Bilateral carpal tunnel. Blepharospasm, which is eye twitching. Bone density loss. A chakra imbalance, which is self-diagnosed. Chorea, which is an abnormal involuntary movement. So like your arm could jerk, your leg could jerk just involuntarily. Chronic fatigue, chronic pain, cognitive dysfunction. That includes memory loss, concentration issues, forgetfulness, confusion, and brain fog. I deal with a lot of that. Okay, the common cold, constipation and diarrhea.
You got nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea.
Cushing's syndrome, which is high cortisol levels. This I feel like has affected me the most, and I hate it. It causes like buffalo hump, which is like a hump like up here on your back. A lot of belly fat that you just really can't get rid of. Just hormones all out of the place. Deep vein thrombosis, dehydration, depression, dystichiasis, which is a double row of eyelashes. Dyspepsia, which is indigestion. I've been deficient in vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron. Eczema.
Eczema?
Yeah, it's fine.
Was that eczema?
Edema, which is swelling of the other parts of the body. So my legs and my feet had a lot of edema at one point. Emesis, which is vomiting. Facial hair growth. Yeah. Fasciculation, which is involuntary muscle spasms. Fibromyalgia, fluid retention, gout, headaches and migraines, hemorrhoids, hormonal imbalance, hot flashes, hypercoagulable state, which is the tendency to form blood clots, hypercholesterolemia, which is high cholesterol, hyperglycemia, which is high blood sugar, hyperhidrosis, which is night sweats, hypokalemia, which is low potassium levels, and then hypertension, which is high blood pressure. Hypoglycemia, which is low blood sugar. inflammation, insomnia, irregular menstruation, leaky gut syndrome or candida overgrowth, low hemoglobin, low stomach acid, malar rash, which is also known as the butterfly rash that people with lupus get, mood swings, moon face, mouth ulcers, muscle spasms, myalgia, which is muscle pain, myopia, which is nearsightedness, nausea, neuropathic nerve pain, obesity, ovarian cyst, peripheral neuropathy, peripheral vascular disease, or also known as peripheral artery disease, periungual erythema. It's pretty much rugged cuticles, and it's funny that something so small can actually be really annoying and actually hurt a lot. I'm actually doing really good this winter. Thank you for California weather, but yeah, rugged cuticles. Photosensitivity, plantar fasciitis, pleurisy, polydyspia, which is excessive thirst, polyphagia, which is excessive hunger, poor blood circulation, post-traumatic slave syndrome. Read up on it. Potential hydrogen imbalance, which is pH balance. pH imbalance. Yes, pH imbalance. Presbycusis, which is hearing loss. I have hearing loss in just a little bit in my left ear. It's not too bad to where it's like noticeable. Psychosis. Pyelophysis, which is kidney infection. Pyrexia, which is fever. Pyrosis, heartburn. Raynaud syndrome. I'll give this one a minute. Round ligament pain. Shingles. Sinusitis, which is the sinus infection. Skin discoloration. Steroid-induced diabetes. I'll put that video down below of me explaining that one, or you can click up in the cards, whatever side it's on. Striae, which is stretch marks. Swollen lymph nodes. Temporary vision loss. Tendinitis. Thrush. Tinnitus. Tooth decay. Tremors. Urinary tract infections, which is a bladder infection. Oh, my foot is falling asleep. I don't like that. Oh. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm at the U's. Urticaria, which is hives. Uterine polyps. Vertigo. Weight gain and weight loss. I mostly deal with the weight gain part. At one point, I did gain like 60 pounds in like 3 months. And that was in high school, so that really sucked. Xerosis, which is dry skin. And the last one, which is pretty common amongst most women, and that's yeast infections. But sometimes certain medicines cause it to happen more often. Keep in mind that all of these things are something that I've dealt with over a 10-year span. There's like a running joke with people with lupus, is like, you look perfectly fine. And I know at times I do. Like if you look at me, you wouldn't think anything is wrong with me. But it's really an internal fight having lupus. And you might not even know what I'm going through. I mean, it's not like you can show what's happening inside your body. Like, people are like, oh, I saw her on Instagram the other day and she looked fine. Yeah, because you can't see my kidney function inside my body. All of these sucked at the moment, but I think looking back, I'm just grateful that I made it through it and I now have a testimony from it. If you have lupus, you understand. And if you don't, I hope this video did help you understand what people with lupus go through. And I also want this to be a testimony to show like how far I've come. I think I've done really well, especially in the past year. And I'm excited for healing, and I'm excited to share my journey with you all. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more and want to watch my journey of healing, you guys, first of all, like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and then you can also follow me on Instagram at Getwell_Chanel, where you can follow my journey. And then I'll also link my blog down below. I really thank you guys for watching this video. Happy New Year and welcome to the journey. Bye. while I finish my gumbo, why don't you guys just click on some more videos? This one right here or this one right here. Matter of fact, just watch your playlist. You know you wanna know what's going on.